Hi students, hope you are all feeling good. Today, let us discuss the grammar part of the chapter Malala Yousafzai. All of you take page number 66. Here we are discussing what is transitive verb and what is intransitive verb. Before moving to that, let us discuss what is subject, what is verb and what is object. For that, I'll do an activity. It is very easy for you to understand then. This is a piece of paper. Okay, this is a piece of paper. This paper must be torn. This paper must be torn. It can't torn alone. It cannot be torn alone. Some energy needs to be exerted to tear this paper. Okay. So, look here. I'm going to tear this paper. Fine. So here, ഈ പേപ്പർ കീറുക എന്ന ഈ ആക്ഷൻ ചെയ്യാനൊരു എനർജി വേണം. അത് ഇതിനൊറ്റയ്ക്ക് കീറാൻ കഴിയില്ല അല്ലേ? അപ്പം ഞാൻ ഇത് കീറി. ആരാണിത് കീറിയത്? ഞാനാണ് കീറിയത്. സോ ഹിയർ ഞാൻ, ഐ ഈസ് ദ സബ്ജക്റ്റ്. സോ സബ്ജക്റ്റ് മീൻസ് വാട്ട്? ഹൂ ഡസ് ദ ആക്ഷൻ. ആക്ഷൻ ചെയ്ത ആൾക്കാണ് സബ്ജക്റ്റ് എന്ന് പറയാം. Okay, one who does this action, the action that we can call it as subject. Okay, so here I is the subject, tear is the action, tearing is the action happened here. ഇവിടെ എന്താണ് നടന്നത്? എന്ത് ആക്ഷനാണ് നടന്നത്? കീറുക എന്ന ആക്ഷനാണ്. സോ കീറുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് verb. Okay, so here I is the subject, tear is the action, and who receives this action tear? ആരാണ് ഈ ടിയർ എന്ന ആക്ഷൻ റിസീവ് ചെയ്ത ആള്? ഇതിന് ഇരയായത് ആരാണ്? കീറ എന്നതിന് ഇരയായത് ആരാണ്? ദിസ് പേപ്പർ. ഓക്കെ, ഐ ടിയർ ദ പേപ്പർ. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഐ ഈസ് ദ സബ്ജക്ട്, ടിയർ ഈസ് ദ verb and paper is the object in this sentence. Okay, so this is what subject, verb, object. So I hope you understood what is subject, what is verb and what is object. Then it is very easy to understand what is transitive and intransitive verb. So what is transitive verb? Action that have a direct object to receive that action. If there is a direct object to receive an action, that is transitive verb. It will easily you can easily understand when I say the example. The man loves his children. The man loves his children. Here in this sentence, loves is the action formed by who loves. This loving, the action loves formed by the man. So the man is the subject and it has a receiver. Receiver who receives this action love. ആരാണ് ഈ സ്നേഹം എന്നുള്ള സ്വീകരിക്കുന്ന ആളാരാണ്? His children. Okay, that is the object. Okay, normally subject comes before verb and object comes after verb. വെർബിന് ശേഷമാണ് ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ്, മുന്നെയാണ് സബ്ജക്റ്റ്. In the second sentence, the doctor cured him. In this sentence, cured is the action formed by whom? ആരാണ് curing എന്ന ആക്ഷൻ ആരാണ് ചെയ്തത്? The doctor. So the doctor is the subject, verb, cured is the verb and him is the object. Okay, then like in the same way, Roshan kicked the ball. Roshan is the subject, kicked is the verb and the ball. Kicking എന്ന ആക്ഷൻ ആരാ ചെയ്തത്? ആരുടെ മേലാണ് വീഴുന്നത്? Who receives this action? Kick. ഈ കിക്ക് എന്ന ആക്ഷൻ സ്വീകരിക്കുന്ന ആളാണ് the ball. Okay, that is the object. Or you can easily find the object in the sentence when you ask the question whom and what. The answer for this is the object in the sentence. Okay, for example, the man loves his children. The man loves whom? His children. So this is the object. The doctor cured him. The doctor cured whom? Him. So him is the object. She crossed the street. She crossed what? The street. Here what is the question? So the answer for what? That is the object here. Roshan kicked the ball. Roshan kicked what? Roshan kicked the ball. Okay. If it is a person, then we can ask the question whom. Then if it is a thing, then what we can ask what. Then what is intransitive verb? Action that doesn't have a direct object. In a sentence, there is an action and it doesn't have a direct object to receive that action. ഈ ആക്ഷനെ സ്വീകരിക്കാൻ ഇവിടെ ഒരു ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് ഇല്ല എങ്കിൽ അതിനെയാണ് ഇൻട്രാൻസിറ്റീവ് വെർബ് എന്ന് പറയുക. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, സ്നോ ഫെൽ യെസ്റ്റർഡേ. സ്നോ ഫെൽ യെസ്റ്റർഡേ. സ്നോ ഈസ് ദ സബ്ജക്റ്റ് ഹിയർ. Fell is the, snow is the subject, fell is the verb, and there is no direct object. There is no direct. Fell, whom or what? Is there any answer for that? No. So there is no direct object. There is no answer for that. Snow fell on whom? There is no answer to receive this action. There is nobody, no one is there to receive this action, fell. So that is intransitive verb. So fell is intransitive verb in this sentence. ഈ സെൻറ്റൻസിൽ fell എന്നത് intransitive verb ആണ്. ഈ fell എന്ന ആക്ഷൻ സ്വീകരിക്കാൻ ഇവിടെ ആരുമില്ല. Okay. So that is the difference between transitive and intransitive verb. So now take the textbook, page number 66. Look at these sentences. First of all, let us do the second work. Circle the objects in these sentences. Here 6 sentences are given. In these sentences, you have to circle the object. The lion caught a deer. A deer is the object. Okay. I heard a noise. In this sentence, I is the subject, heard is the verb, a noise is the object. Okay, you have to circle the object. Maya wrote an email. What is the object in this sentence? An email. Okay, you have to circle this together. Then Rubina and Meera played football. The kitten hurt its paw. The kitten hurt what? Its paw. Then they visits what? Hyderabad. Right. So these are the objects in the sentences. You have to circle these objects. Then here, transitive verb or intransitive verb. In this sentence also, what you have to do is you have to underline the verbs at first. You have to read the sentences, then find out the verbs in the sentence and underline it. The little girl laughed merrily. In the sentence, laughed is the verb. The audience clapped. Clapped is the verb. You have to underline the action words, the verbs. The students left the classroom. Left. Rain is falling on the roof. Falling. Pranav lost his keys. Lost is the verb. I can't find my bag. Find. The water cooled quickly. Cooled is the verb. The boy hit the ball. Hit is the verb. You have to mark these verbs in the textbook. Underline these verbs. Now you have to mark, you have to say whether these sentences, which sentences are transitive and which are the intransitive. Okay, the first one, the little girl laughed merrily. It is intransitive. There is no object in this sentence. Laughed, is there for whom or what? Is there any answer for that? Laughed whom or laughed what? No. Here merrily is given. This is adverb. This is adverb. So there is no verb, there is no object in this sentence, so it is intransitive. The audience clapped. In this sentence also there is no object, so this is intransitive. Then the students left the classroom. The students left what? The classroom. So this is transitive. We have an answer for what? The classroom. Left what? The classroom. Then rain is falling on the roof. The rain is falling whom or falling what? There is no answer for that. So this is intransitive. Then Pranav lost his keys. The Pranav lost what? His keys. Transitive. I can't find my bag. I can't find. Find what? My bag. That is transitive. The water cooled quickly. The water cooled quickly. There is no answer for whom or what. Quickly is adverb. There is no object in this sentence. So this is intransitive. Intransitive. If it is intransitive, you have to mark IT. If it is transitive, mark T. The boy hit the ball. The boy hit what? The ball. So there is the object, the ball. So the verb hit is verb hit is transitive. Okay. Here, the next one. Here some expressions are given here. Raise your voice. Then stand up for equal rights. All four corners of the world. Make proud. Okay, these are some expressions. You have to fill these blanks using the expressions given here. Raise your voice means shabdamuyartuga. Okay. We have to raise our voice against injustice. അനീതിക്കെതിരെ ശബ്ദമുയർത്തുക എന്നൊക്കെ പറയാം. സ്റ്റാൻഡ് അപ്പ് ഫോർ എഴുന്നേറ്റ് നിൽക്കുക, നീതിക്ക് വേണ്ടി എഴുന്നേറ്റ് നിൽക്കുക. ഓക്കെ. ഈക്വൽ റൈറ്റ്സ് ഒരേ അവകാശം. ഓൾ ഫോർ കോർണേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് ദി വേൾഡ് നാനാഭാഗങ്ങളിൽ നിന്നും എന്നൊക്കെ പറയാം. മേക്ക് സം വൺ പ്രൗഡ്. ടു ഡു സംതിങ് ടു മേക്ക് പീപ്പിൾ പ്രൗഡ് ഓഫ് യു. നമ്മളെക്കുറിച്ചൊരു അഭിമാനം തോന്നിക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് we make others proud of us. People from all four corners of the world attended the conference. The lawyer spoke to us about how important it is that everyone has equal rights. The speaker asked us to raise our voice for the things she made us proud when she won the Student of the Year award. My parents have taught me to stand up for other students who are being bullied. Okay, these are the expressions. You need to fill those blanks using the expressions given. If you have any doubts regarding transitive or intransitive word, this is the important thing in this chapter. Okay, transitive and intransitive. For examination, questions will come from this area. So that's all for today. Thank you.